The lead detective is once again at the center of rapper YNW Melly's double murder case as jury selection continues. Melly's legal team urged Broward Circuit Court Judge John Murphy to allow Miramar Police Detective Mark Moretti to sit through another deposition, or a sworn interview with a witness. Under Florida law, witnesses can't be deposed more than once, unless the state and defense agree or a judge rules to allow the second interview. Murphy will rule on the request at a hearing Thursday morning. In the filing, defense attorney Raven Liberty argued that there are serious discrepancies between Moretti's testimony and the evidence provided by former prosecutor Christine Bradley, who was ousted from the retrial days ago. The defendant has not only good cause for this request, but the deposition of the detective is necessary for the preparation of the defendant's defense and pre-trial motions, Liberty said in the filing Sunday. Liberty also referenced the allegation that Moretti solicited a Broward Sheriff's Office deputy to lie in an October 2022 incident. Public Corruptions Unit Prosecutor Michelle Boutros, who previously testified about the incident, was present when Moretti was taking a statement from Jamie King, Melly's mother, in a conference room on the 7th floor of the Broward courthouse. King's attorney Robert Trachman and Broward Sheriff's Office CTT Jason Hendrick were also there at the time. At some point, Hendrick stepped out, and Moretti executed a search warrant for King's phone. Shortly after, BSO Deputy Adam Gorel arrived at the conference room. When King and Trachman left, Moretti told Gorel that he should say he was present when he executed the search warrant, Boutros said on the stand. Accounts of what Moretti said or didn't say differ among the parties in the case. According to a filing by Bradley, Moretti asked Gorel whether he was there when the phone was taken. And Gorel said something along the lines of, "I can be if you needed me to be." Boutros, on the stand, declared that Gorel didn't say that. Prosecutor Justin Griffiths, who is new to the case alongside lead prosecutor Alexandra Buckaloo, slammed the defense's request as legally insufficient and argued that Moretti's cell tower location data and mapping evidence was available and had been disclosed prior to his first deposition. The discrepancies defense attorneys alluded to were vague, Griffiths noted in the filing, also hinting that the motivation behind the deposition is to potentially impeach Moretti. The detective, he said, isn't under investigation by any agency for alleged misconduct. Any testimony in regards to any alleged attempt to solicit perjury is not relevant to the case at hand, Griffiths said in the filing. General acts of misconduct are inadmissible as impeachment evidence. What else is happening in the case? While the South Florida rapper's case is still in jury selection, the judge has yet to rule on dozens of pending motions, the bulk of which were drafted by the defense. On top of that, Buckaloo on Tuesday asked Murphy to allow the state to question and dismiss prospective jurors with significant knowledge of the previous trial. The outstanding motions could affect the type of evidence permitted at trial, Buckaloo said in the filing. Due to the unknown, having any jurors with significant knowledge on the case should be avoided at all costs.